Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. First, open the Start menu, go to Settings, select System, go to Power and Battery Settings, then select the Energy Saver, and to enable power saving mode you simply have to switch this toggle to the right. To disable, switch it to the left, and you can also enable it automatically once your battery level is at the selected percentage. By default it's 30% of the battery, so once the battery reaches 30% of charging, the power saving mode will automatically enable. And we can also decide whether we want to lower screen brightness when using energy saver by switching this toggle. By default it's switched to on, and that's how you use energy saver on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.